Assalamualaikum. Hello dear student. Today our lesson is MCQ part of measurement, chapter 3. Okay, so let's start. A runner ran 24 rounds in a circular track of length 100 meters. How much distance did he run? So in a circular track he ran 24 rounds. Each track length is 100 meters. So therefore, what will be the total length? 24 into 100, 2400 meter. Okay, so if we convert meter into kilometer, here 2400 in 2000 meter, we divide 2400 divided by 1000, then we will get 2.4 kilometer. Okay, so here 2 is the kilometer and 4 is the hectometer. We know 100 meter equal to 1 hectometer, so here 400 meter equal to 4 hectometer. So option will be A. The circumference of a wheel is 2.5 meters. How many times will the wheel revolve to cover a distance of 25 meters? Okay, circumference of the wheel is 2.5 meter. What is circumference? Outer side of the circle. Okay, so each wheel is circular shape. So if circumference is 2.5 meters, then to complete 25 meters we need to divide this. So here 25 divided by 2.5 equal to 25 here if we put out the point, then we will get 25 into 10. So 25 into, or we divide 25 and 25, then we will get 10 times. Okay, the length and breadth of a tank is 1 meter and it contains 2000 liter water. What is the height of tank in meter? So at first we need to find out the length, total length or total volume of the tank. Here the tank contains 2000 liter water, so we know in 1000 liter equal to 1 cubic meter. Okay, so in 2000 liter we'll get 2000 divided by 1000, okay, equal to cubic meter. Okay, so here length and breadth of the tank is 1 meter. So what is the height? We know the volume equal length into breadth into height. So here volume is 2 cubic meter, so here volume equal to length is 1, breadth is 1, and what will be the height? Therefore height equal 2. Okay, number 4, the area of a triangular land is 264 square meter. How many decameter is the height of each base? Is 22 meters. So here area is 264 square meter and the base is 22 meters. So what will be the height? Okay, so we know the area of the triangle is area of the triangle is half into base into height. So here area is 264 equal half into base 22 meter. So what will be the height? Okay, we divide 22, we get 11. Okay, then h equal 264 divided by 11. Okay, so 264 divided by 11 equal, if we divide 264 divided by 11, we will get 11 to 22, 24. Okay, 24 meter. So if we convert 24 meter into decameter, we get, we need to divide by how much? 10. Okay, and equal 2.4 decameter. So here 2.4 will be answer. How many square meter is the area of the rectangle? How many square meter is the area of the rectangle if the breadth is half of length and length is 5 feet? So here length equal 5 feet, therefore breadth equal, breadth is half of the length. So half of the length, half into length is 5 meter, equal 5 by 2, that means 2.5. Okay, so area will be, we know the area equal to length into breadth. So here 2.5 into 5, length is 5 feet and breadth is 2.5. okay, so we will get 12.5. okay, so 12.5 square meter. If we convert it into, so this will be a square feet. If we convert feet into square meter, we need to divide 10.76 square meter. So if we divide 12.5 by 10.76, we will get it will be 1.16. okay, how many yards is the perimeter if the area of a square is 16 square feet? How many yards is the perimeter if the area of a square is 16 square feet? Okay, so we know the area. If area is area of any square, equal 6, then what will be the one side? One side equal root over the area. Okay, root over 16 equal to 4. So what will be the perimeter? We know the perimeter equal 4 into one side, so 4 into 4 equal 16. Here 16 is the how many yards is the perimeter if the area of a square is 16 square feet? So here 16 feet. Okay, so if we convert 16 feet into yard, we know the 3 feet equal to 1 yard, so we need to divide 16 by 3, so then we will get 5.3. If we divide 16 by 3, we will get 5.3. 7. Air is 0.00129 times heavier than water. What is the weight of 1 cubic centimeter air in gram? Okay, air is 0.00129 times heavier than water. What is the weight of 1 cubic centimeter air in gram? So we know the weight of 1 cubic centimeter air, 1 cubic centimeter water, 1 cubic centimeter water equal 1 gram. Okay, so therefore 1 cubic centimeter air will be 1 into 0.00129 equal 0.00129. So here answer is a box is 1 cubic feet, its length is 0.5 meter and breadth is 0.5 meter. What is the height in meter? So you know the volume of any box equal to volume equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, so here volume is 1 cubic feet, length 0.5 into breadth is 0.5, and then height. Okay, so 0.5 into 0.5 equal 0.25 each. So if you divide 1 divided by 0.25, we get 25 divided by 100 equal to 4. Okay, so answer will be 4. Answer the following question, number 9 to 10, according to the given information. Any one side of a square length is 2 yards. How many square yards is the area of the length? Any one side of a square length is 2 yards. So you know the area of the square is one side is square. Here one side equal to 2 yards. Therefore area will be 2 square, that means 4. Okay, how many yards is the perimeter of the length? So you know the perimeter of any square is 4 into one side equal, here 4 into one side equal 2, therefore 4 into 2 equal 8. Answer will be 8. Okay, so you can practice the MCQ like this. Okay, so thank you very much.